Do you want to know how you can grow your YouTube channel from 0 subscriber to thousands of raving fans? If you're nodding your head and saying, yes, then this video is made exactly for you. Let's be honest here. As a YouTuber, you didn't start out your channel with the hopes of getting 10 or 50 subscribers only, right? Of course you want to get thousands of subscribers who love watching your content. So, in this video, we'll teach you how to effortlessly and rapidly increase your YouTube subscriber count. Are you ready to expand your YouTube channel? Here are 5 YouTube marketing tips you can use right now. So let's get started. 1. Optimize your YouTube channel profile. The more optimized your YouTube channel is, the easier it is for your potential subscribers to find you. There are 3 things you need to pay attention to when it comes to channel optimization. 1. Channel cover art. Why should your subscribers follow your videos? Include the short and sweet answer to this question in your cover art. Also, the channel art size should be 2560 by 1440 pixels. 2. Channel icon. You can add your business logo here. Or if you're a personal brand, a clear picture of you works as well. Ideally, the channel icon should be 800 by 800 pixels in size. 3. Channel description. Inside your channel description, add relevant keywords that you want your YouTube channel to be associated with. For example, in WP Beginner's YouTube channel description, they added searchable keywords such as WordPress beginners and WordPress video tutorials, so that their videos can be discovered when viewers search for these topics. 2. Promote your channel to existing fans. Do you already have an established website? If your brand has an official website that gets consistent monthly traffic, then this means that there are tons of website visitors you can market your YouTube channel to. That's why adding your YouTube feed to your website is a great way to get more subscribers. After all, your website visitors check out your website because they're already interested in your brand, right? Since they're familiar with your website content, they're more likely to check out your video content in YouTube as well. 3. Create a YouTube video pop-up. Here's another great way to grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. Add a video pop-up to your website. This way, your website visitors can also watch your YouTube videos when they visit your site. This is especially helpful when you want to promote a newly uploaded video. Why? That's because YouTube's algorithm tends to feature videos that are both new and popular. So you need to promote your videos in the first 48 hours after it goes live. That's why when you use OptinMonster to create a video pop-up featuring your new video, you can encourage your visitors to watch it. The more views your video gets in the first 48 hours after it's uploaded, the higher your chances are to be featured in YouTube's homepage. And when your video is featured in the homepage, you can get more views and more subscribers for your YouTube channel. 4. Make attention-grabbing thumbnails. According to YouTube themselves, thumbnails are usually the first thing viewers see when they find one of your videos, and 90% of the best-performing videos on YouTube have custom thumbnails. That's why it's incredibly important that you use custom video thumbnails that are both engaging and eye-catching. Instead of using a random screenshot as your thumbnail, you need to create a YouTube thumbnail that captures your audience's attention. Start by using colors that stand out in YouTube's platform: blue, orange, green, and yellow. Plus, make sure that the font sizes for your titles are readable, even on a small screen, since most YouTube videos are watched on mobile. In addition to being eye-catching, your thumbnail also needs to deliver your content's promise. Otherwise, your viewers won't watch your videos until the end. 5. Optimize your title and description. To get more YouTube subscribers, you need to focus on getting more visibility for your videos. This is where optimizing your title and description enters the picture. You need to treat YouTube as a search engine. In fact, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. How do you get started in optimizing your video titles? Even before shooting your video, you need to research target keywords for your video. One easy way to do this is by using YouTube's auto-suggest feature. Simply enter your video's topic and let YouTube suggest your own video titles for you. Make sure to include your target keywords in your video title and description box. It's better if you include your target keyword in the first 1 to 2 sentences of your description. Do you have any questions about this video? Let me know down below. If you liked this video, please consider subscribe. Otherwise, see you next time.